Oh, please! Ladies and gentlemen, it's summertime, so let's open some bikini waifus. This is one of the newest sets of the Maiden Party. Man, the pack, the color, I like it very much. Oh, we're starting with SSR on the top of the pack. Alright. Looking hella awesome. God damn, those bikini, man. I'm loving it. How's the backside looking? English? Hololive? Alright, some information about the character. I mean, the shine is really nice. Oh, another SSR. Alright, so this is an SSR set. Oh, the shine is so nice. Look at that. Look at the shine. Look at the shine, boys. I also really like the cat ice cream. So far, not the character, I know, but... God damn! I don't need to know her if she looks like that. Man, this bunny outfit is really nice and ultra rare. Just straight up and ultra rare. Very nice. Water gun girl. Such an original character. My favorite character is a water gun girl. A lot of information on this one. It's annoying. I'm gonna pull all the packs out. Come on. It's stuck. The pack. Oh gosh. I thought that was the last one, but it wasn't. Smack the booty. Hell yeah. Okay, now I have all the packs. Looking cute. Moving on. This one is also looking cute. I like it. And alright, 2 girls at 1. Man, summertime is the best. Look at that. The knife and the bikini goes really well. It's a new trend in 2020. An ultra rare swimsuit girl. If you want to support the channel, okay, that's hella awkward. I wanted to say just, subscribe, like, or comment. I'm liking what I'm seeing right now. Hell yeah. Ooh, this one looks like some Fate character. God damn, those boobs. Man, those shine. It's also really nice. Let's see. Hey, I know this one. That's one of the
quintessential quintuplets.
Yeah, that one. And that's nice. That's a nice one. That's my, from the 5 of them, that's the second place. Miku. Nice. Ooh, I would like to see another ghost from this anime. Woo! Looking hella cute. And popsicle girl. God damn, gotta catch them out. If each pack will contain an ultra rare, I don't need I'll do it like this. I don't know. No, sorry Yoko, we need to see your eyes. There you go. Alright guys, if you want to buy this one, cause I don't know, it's looking really cool, man. This bikini. I have the seller in the video description, the link to the seller. If you buy it, add a note tcgcomrade and you will end up with a free promo pack. Alright. Those are big. God damn. Holy shit. Well, I will... Bruh, give me a break, man. They are too intense. Freaking 18 plus on this one. Hey, that's a Genshin Impact. The second character I know from 4 packs or something. And let's see, maybe we'll get the volleyball girl. And no. Hey, what? That one is a VTuber. Do you want something else in your life? God damn, man. Alright. Those are... How about the big booba content? Hell yeah, we're gonna do it. Because, I think this one is one of the big... Wait a minute. I'm gonna see just a second. It's a bit, but no, man. I know those are definitely big, but not like... Alright. I mean, those are also big. Oh. Okay. I have the contestants from the previous packs, and this one is also going there. I mean, almost all of them have enormous ubas. Hey, that's an... Smashed my mic with my head. Very nice. Professional YouTuber here. That's a nice one. They know which girls to choose, especially for the bikinis. And alright. Is there a little ghost there? Hey, that's the cute one. The first one, which is like not that lewd as the other. I like it. And we get what the fuck, man? Can I even show it on YouTube, man? Look at that. Oh, you can even see a little bit of the action there. And also, I mean, god damn, I will need some time in the bedroom after this video. That's good bikini, man. I don't know how long you will be able to swim with that on you, but I mean, I don't judge. Why this one looks familiar? It's like Fate, maybe Fate. It's maybe Fate. I don't fucking know if it's Fate. I don't. Hey, chica, those are definitely big. Is it as big as the other one? I don't know. We big booba pile. All right. You convinced me. And don't know, bruh. It's definitely big booba pile, man. Look at that. How is it even holding up, man? It's freaking magic, I swear. So we stepped up from the nameless random girls to like some characters, which I still don't know, sorry about that, but how about we I think only boys stay here, maybe some girls, if there's girls watching. Freaking amazing, man. I don't know why I'm doing like this really awkward accent. I don't fucking know what am I doing, but goddamn, give me a break. I mean, boys enjoy this waifu opening, the bikini opening with me. Hey, the slime, nice. I mean, it's not really a bikini, but it's looking nice. So okay. Mona, hey, that's Genshin Impact, right? Looking hella cute. Hey, that's, I don't know who that is, but really interesting bikini, man. I could have done something like the most beautiful bikini or the most bizarre bikini, but no, I'm just going for the big booba pile. Such a stupid choice. I don't know. Okay, ultra rares can fuck off now because there's really a lot of them. So now we have the big booba pile in front of us. That's better. That's definitely better. Let's see. God damn, showing those. Oh, girl. And hey, first double, right? No, it's not a double. Huh? Is it the same character or not? Or is it like separate characters? But I don't know what's happening, but I recognize this bikini, so I thought, hey, I saw it. Oh, it's a little heart there. That's cute. But both Nozomi. All right. I mean, oh, goddamn, America. Of course, very nice. And edit synthesis 30. Is she 30? Is there any rarities above the ultra rare? It doesn't say on the box. I mean, I don't mind. Those are really cool, and ultra rares are really cool. But it would be hella epic if you'll see some card which is high rarity and maybe more beautiful than the others. Alright. Love the action on this one. Nice ice cream action on this one. Alright. Okay. And what the fuck is this? I mean, I just said I want to see some special. I guess I have some special in my hand. What is the actual fuck is this? Like, the backside is more shiny than the card itself. I mean, that's probably what's an appealing to that, like some really minimum sketch. Give me some quintessential quintuplets, come on. You tease me with one and you don't even gonna give me two of them? I mean, how am I supposed to do the big booba pile when, hey, the first double, for real this one. When I asked for quintuplets, I meant the other ones. There are 5 of them. Why do I get the same one? God damn. Ooh, and say, hey, let's go. And it's a fucking fate. Let's go. Even though it's not a bikini, but I don't mind. God damn. Let's see. Does it have more shine than the ultra rare? But I mean, bada boom. It's a nice card to get. I'm happy with that. Special pile. We still see one eye of Yoko. I mean, Kamina is probably the most impressed with all these waifus. It would be in his character. Alright, let's see. Okay, the doubles are starting to get me. Alright. And and duo card. And looking really cool. It looks like Genshin Impact. Goddamn. I'm only saying goddamn for 80 minutes. And I'm just looking at some loot anime waifus. I mean, that's life, right? And you're looking at it with me. Whoa! Please! I thought I will not be impressed anymore with all these, you know, nude bikini girls, but fucking Maiden Party impressed me, alright? God damn, I don't think I am allowed to show this on YouTube. I don't fucking know. God, that's definitely the most loot one. Let's see if we can beat that, but I would really be surprised if we could. But I mean, probably that's, nah, you can't, it's, you can almost see the things you're not supposed to be seeing. So I, also, yeah, those boobs definitely belong there. Alright. Okay, those are also very nice. Very nice, very nice. Hey, Hatsune Miku, very nice. Very nice. Also bikini one. Almost everything is bikini except Fate. I don't know why Nero was not with the bikini, but I don't mind it. So let's see. We have doubles all the way. Yeah, we've seen you and... Oh, it's also in Seipei. God damn, it took me a second. Nice. Yeah, those are definitely more shiny, by the way, than the ultra rare. Like, the shine is little bit different. It hits different. I think I'll have all the SSRs already. Because it's been only the repeats, a few packs. And yeah, well, she has 3 melons right there. I mean, so far Maiden Party is really nice set to open. I mean, I can see them rival the Goddess story really easily. God damn! Very nice outlining there. Very nice outlining, yeah. It shines also. Ip. I don't remember if we... Wait, what? I have 2 Kazuma Iroha just back to back. Bruh, why you do this? Why you do this? Ants and ultra rare bikini girl. We are back to nameless girls. Did I have a bikini girl? I fucking remember. I had it somewhere. Alright, so let's see who will get the Big Booba award. I mean, those are our contestants. Yeah, very nice ones. Yes, and yes. Alright. So the elimination process starting right now. It's a difficult one because all of them are looking just huge. And it's also, you know, it's also the angle. Those are moving for some reason, and I'm gonna eliminate them. Those angle is very nice, but man, it's difficult. But I think of all of them, those are the big one. Is it DXD? She looks like the chick from DXD, by the way. In my eyes, this is the winner. Let me know if you agree on that. And thank you for watching. If you watched till the end, you're a freaking amazing man or a woman or something in between. I don't care who you are. I just appreciate you being here. So thank you for watching, and I see you, Web Traveler.